You know that moment when you're watching a movie at home and something just feels off? The visuals look incredible. Your TV is sharp, colors popping, but the sound? Flat. Weak. Like everything is stuck inside a box. Now imagine this instead. A helicopter flies overhead. Not from your screen, but above you. Footsteps creep behind your couch. Dialogue sounds like it's coming straight from the actor's mouth, not somewhere under your TV. That's what a real home theater system feels like. And today, we're counting down the top 7 best home theater systems you can buy right now, from number 7 all the way to number 1. Some of these are incredibly easy to use. Some are insanely powerful. And one of them doesn't even feel like a soundbar anymore. Let's get into it. Number 7. Samsung HWQ990F. Let's start with something that just works. The Samsung HWQ990F is what I'd call the safest high-end choice. It's a full 11.1.4 channel system with rear speakers and a subwoofer. So right out of the box, you're getting real surround sound without needing to add anything. Setup, super simple. Plug it in, connect your TV, and everything syncs wirelessly. Now the sound, this is where Samsung really nails it. It's balanced. The bass is deep but controlled. Dialogue is clear. And the surround effects actually move around you. You can track sounds from front to back, side to side, even overhead. It also comes packed with smart features like space-fit sound calibration and voice enhancement, so it adapts to your room automatically. But here's the thing. It plays it a bit safe. It's powerful, but not extreme. And if you already have last year's model, the upgrade isn't huge. Still, if you want something easy, immersive, and reliable, this is a great place to start. Number 6. Sony BRAVIA Theater Bar 9. Now this one is different. The Sony BRAVIA Theater Bar 9 is all about precision. The moment you hear it, you notice the clarity. Every detail is clean. Every sound has space. Sony's 360 spatial sound mapping creates this wide, almost floating soundstage even without extra speakers. But here's the catch. On its own, it's not a full theater system. The bass is limited. The immersion is good but not complete. This system really shines when you expand it with a subwoofer and rear speakers. And once you do that, it transforms. Suddenly, you've got a full cinematic setup with incredible detail and accuracy. So this is for someone who cares about sound quality first and doesn't mind building their system over time. Number 5. LGS95AR. This one is all about intelligence. The LGS95AR is a 9.1.5 channel system packed with features, and somehow it's still incredibly easy to use. Setup takes minutes. Everything connects wirelessly. And then the AI room calibration kicks in and tunes the sound perfectly for your space. And honestly, it works. Dialogue is one of the best here. Clear, centered, and easy to understand, even during chaotic scenes. There's even a dedicated up-firing center channel that lifts voices closer to the screen. The surround sound is immersive, the height effects feel real, and overall, it just sounds clean and controlled. But the bass doesn't hit as hard as you might expect at this price. It's there, but it's not going to shake your room. So if you want clarity, smart features, and ease of use, this is excellent. If you want raw power, keep watching. Number 4. Nakamichi Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4. Now we're stepping into real home theater territory. The Nakamichi Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4 doesn't feel like a typical soundbar. It feels like a full surround system. You get dual subwoofers, 4 rear speakers, multiple placement options. This thing surrounds you. And the bass? This is where it hits different. 2 subwoofers working together means deeper, stronger, more even bass across the entire room. You don't just hear explosions, you feel them. The surround experience is also on another level. Sounds come from everywhere behind you, beside you, around you, but it's not perfect. There are more wires involved. Setup takes a bit more effort, and you'll probably spend some time tweaking it to get the best sound, but once it's dialed in, this feels like a proper cinema setup at home. Number 3. Nakamichi Shockwafe Wireless 11.2.6. Think of this as the next evolution. The Shockwafe 11.2.6 builds on everything the Ultra did and pushes it further. More channels, more height speakers, more precision. You're getting a full 11.2.6 setup with 31 drivers, and you can hear the difference immediately. The sound is cleaner, more detailed, and more controlled. But the biggest upgrade? Height. With 6 dedicated height channels, overhead effects actually feel like they're above you, not just bouncing around the room. The bass is still strong thanks to dual 10-inch subwoofers. But now it's tighter, more refined. It's still a big system. Setup still takes time, but this one strikes a balance between power and control that's hard to beat. Number 2. Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6. Now we're getting serious. The Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 is not your typical soundbar. It feels more like an AV receiver system just without the complicated wiring. You're getting an 11.4.6 channel setup with wireless subs and surrounds, and the immersion here is on another level. Sound moves around you with precision. Effects travel across the room naturally. And the bass, thanks to the dual opposing 8-inch subwoofers, is deep, powerful, and room-filling. This system gets loud. Really loud, but it's not just about volume, it's about scale. The soundstage is massive. It fills your entire space. That said, it's not for everyone. There's no automatic calibration, so you'll need to tweak settings manually. And the sound lean's a bit aggressive, great for movies. Not always perfect for music. Still, if you want something that goes beyond what most soundbars can do, this is it. Number 1. Nakamichi Dragon 11.2.6. And finally, number 1. This isn't just the best on this list. It's in a completely different category. The Nakamichi Dragon 11.2.6 is massive, powerful, and honestly, kind of ridiculous in the best way possible. This system pushes up to 3,850 watts of power. It comes with dual 12-inch subwoofers that dig down to 19 hertz. That means bass you don't just hear, you feel instantly. The soundstage is huge. The height effects create a full overhead dome, and the AMT tweeters keep dialogue crystal clear even when everything else is going crazy. This system doesn't just fill your room, it takes over your room. But of course, there are trade-offs. It's huge, it's expensive, and you need space to really experience what it can do. But if your goal is simple, build the closest thing to a real cinema at home without compromise, nothing here comes close. So, here's the deal. If you want something easy and balanced, Samsung is a great pick. If you care about smart features and clarity, LG and Sony have you covered. But if you want that true cinematic experience, the kind that makes you forget you're sitting at home, Nakamichi is playing a completely different game. Now tell me, what are you building your setup for? Movies, gaming, music? Drop it in the comments. I'll help you pick the perfect one. And if this video helped you out, you already know what to do.